Hello friends, today we are going to be making pirate paper puppets. What you need to do is head over to artsykidzone.com and download your free pirate puppet template here. You can get it already colored, or you can get a coloring page for where you can color it yourself. Print on 8.5 by 11 white cardstock paper. And if you decide to do the one where you need to color it, go ahead and color it right away. And I'm going to show you in this video how to assemble the puppets. First thing you need to do is cut out your pirate puppet. All right, so once you get it all cut out, you need to then fold the puppet. You start by taking the main piece right here, and you want to match up the 4 glue tabs right there, like this, and fold it in half. And then fold the glue tabs back like this. Then you fold this back. Flip it over and fold again. Okay, let that sit there for a second, and you see that all these pieces have glue tabs. Go ahead and fold them over. Now that you have all of this folded, you are now going to glue all the pieces together. Start by gluing the hat to the forehead. And be generous with the glue. First thing you need to do is cut out your pirate puppet. Now that the hat is glued on, we are now going to glue these tabs. So what you're going to do, you see the mouth right here. You're going to put glue on one of the tabs, and you're going to wrap it around like that and glue it underneath the mouth. This will start to give your pirate the round shape. Okay? And repeat that step for all 4 tabs. Now, what we need to do is we need to glue these tabs right here and on the top and on the bottom right here. And what this will do is that will create a little pocket for your fingers to sit in there so that the puppet can move up and down. Now, depending on how big your hands are, you might need to make them shorter, and that's totally fine. Just fold them in a little bit. Just fold it farther in so that the strap is shorter. So once you put some glue, be generous with the glue on the tabs, and you put it on the edge right there, and then you bend this over like this, and you glue this edge just like that. And hold it there for a second while the glue dries. You repeat the step on the bottom of the pirate mouth. Go ahead and flip your pirate over, and it's time to add the ears and the hands. There you have it, a pirate puppet. This is one of my favorite crafts to do because not only do they get to color and assemble the puppets, but it also is hours of fun pretend play. So have fun.